Red valve pinch control valves offer maximum durability, with precise control and virtually no maintenance. Variable orifice and cone sleeves can be specified to further enhance control performance and match the exact CV level desired. A heavy-duty pinch mechanism positions the sleeve for accurate control over a wide flow range. Smart sleeve technology is available that senses sleeve wear and signals the supervisory control system to schedule a replacement. Red valve control pinch valves have no packing to maintain or seats to wear, no fugitive emissions, and no need for expensive body alloys. Red valve control products are available with pneumatic, electro-pneumatic, or digital positioners to link up to all control systems.